Hey guys, today we are doing a quick underarm wax using the Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax. And I'm trying to really incorporate this wax into my everyday use. I've ordered so much of it, especially because it's 50% off any amount, which you can't beat. You're never going to get a better price than that. This client has like blonde and brown hairs, and look at that. The wax snatched it up really well. We're going to do a cleanup strip and see if we can get the little remaining stranglers that are there, even though it looks like she has nothing there. I promise there is. And if you're a new esthetician or an esthetician looking to make 50% off any amount that you order, no code needed. Just head over to the website, sexysmooth.com, and place your order. Because I ain't gonna lie to you, girl, I've been ordering a lot of wax. I might just buy them out, like, to be quite honest. And it's purple. You guys know how I feel about purple, okay? Look at it on the arm. Snatched to the gods. So now we're doing the other underarm because I love you guys. Normally I only do one, but I love y'all, so I want to show y'all because this one had a lot of blonde hairs. And I was like, well, I got to do this one. I can't be stingy. Quick dry time, as you can see. Let's get it, baby. I'm so anxious. Like, I just love looking at a wax strip. Y'all know what I like to say. It's like wax porn. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now we're going to do a cleanup strip. Cleanup strip. Dip, 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 dip. And then just make sure you use all that wax on your stick. That's your money, okay? Just because your wax 50% off don't mean you should be using a lot of it, okay? Always make sure you use aftercare, guys. Your clients will love it, and I hope you guys